Hey everyone, welcome to the next topic. In this topic, we will jump into the next section, which is shapes and solids. So in this topic, we will talk about shapes. So basically there are two types of shapes, 2D shapes and 3D shapes in this video. We will talk about basic 2D shapes. In upcoming topic, we will talk about 3D shape. As you can see, the shapes are here: rectangle shape, rounded rectangle, ellipse, polygon, and star. So basically these are the shapes which give us After Effects. We can create these easily. So if you want to create a rectangle shape, just select it and drag it. This is how you make it. It is so easy. And if you want to make a perfect square, let me remove this. So for a perfect square, you just have to hold the shift and then drag the mouse. In the preview panel, here the perfect square is done. As you can see that. Now if you want to make another shape, like a rounded rectangle, you can select the rounded rectangle and make a perfect rounded rectangle. You can see that the corners, they are rounded. If you want to make another shape, like an ellipse shape, you can make circle. Like these, an ellipse as shown, and for a circle, just holding the shift and press mouse left key, then drag it by this. You can make a circle like this. Let's talk about another shape, like a polygon. Polygon is an interesting shape. As you can see here, I can make a polygon here and here. You can see that you can make a polygon like this. If you hold the shift key, it makes it straight. Now we have another shape like star. This is a very useful and interesting shape. We can make many things with this. I will tell you about it further in the video. Now if you want to change the shape color, then you can go to fill and change the color. I changed it from red to white. You can also change the stroke color. If you want to change it, I want blue color for the stroke because I think it looks good. And if you don't want this, you can also remove it. It's up to you. So these are the 2D basic shapes. Now we have learned about some custom shapes. You can also make any custom shapes by using the pen tool. As you can see, the pen tool is here and you can make it very easily. Let me give you an example. Let me remove this first and then select the pen tool. I can make any shape that I want. Let me make a triangle as shown. That's how you make it. Another method is you can trace it with the pen tool. Let me remove this and create a new layer. Then I have solid. Ctrl plus Y is the shortcut to make solids. You have to press it and make it solids. We got this ready. We make our solids and you can see that I will mask out. I will click it here, here and here. This is how you do it. And this is how you can make a triangle like this. But you can't apply the stroke or any color for fill. That's why this is not convenient. Let me remove this. Now you can make any shape. I will try to make a heart. If I can, I think I can do it. Here you can see. That looks a little weird. And this is how you can make shapes basically. As you can see, you can even make hearts. So this is how you can make custom shapes and basic 2D shapes. In the next topic, we will talk about shape property and do a lot more interesting things. So let's jump into the next topic. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and share the video.